Important concepts here. Terms of AP. Terms of AP means arithmetic progressions. Now you see carefully this one. Very important here. A1 terms. Terms means first term means A1 is equal to A1 is equal to A, you should say. Means you have taken one example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the first term that is denoted by A1. A1 is equal to how much means 2. Means A1 is equal to 2. That A1 value will be equal to what means A. You should say first term is denoted by A1 and A1 is equal to what means you should say A. Next is A2. How you will get A2? Each term except the first term is obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding number, previous number. A2's previous number is what means here? What? A1 plus fixed number. Fixed number means this is equal to A1. A1 plus fixed number is denoted by D. This is equal to A1 means what? A. A1's answer is how much? A. A plus B means A2 is equal to what is the value means here? A plus B. Followed, I hope. Next is A3. How you will get A3? Its previous number. Previous number is what? A2. A3's previous number is A2 plus fixed number. Fixed number means this is equal to A2 plus fixed number is what? D is equal to A2 means how much? A plus D. A plus D plus this D. This A2 means this one is equal to A plus D plus D. Symbols are same. D plus D 2D. Means this is the value of A3. A3 is equal to this one. Like that only you see here. To get A4. A4 you to get A4 what? Its previous number is A3 plus fixed number D. I am not writing now fixed number is D is equal to, but A3's value is how much? A plus 2D. A plus 2D plus D is equal to A, both are same, plus 2D plus 1D 3D. This is the value of A4. Understood, I hope. Next is A5 is equal to its previous term A4 plus fixed number D is equal to A4 means what? A plus 3D plus D is equal to A plus 4D. This is A5. Now you see one thing important here. Like that A6. A6 is equal to its previous term is A5 plus D is equal to A5 means A plus 4D plus 1D here is equal to A, both are plus 4D plus 1D 5. This is A6. Now you see here A1 is equal to how much you got? A. Can I write this one like this? A plus 1 minus 1 into D. 1 minus 1 0. 0 D's are 0. A only. Why is that? Let me show you the logic. A2 is equal to, what is the value of A2? A plus B. A is compulsory plus B. Can I write this one like this? A means A, plus means plus. How many D's? 1D. Can I write this one as 2 minus 1 into D? 2 minus 1, 1 into D means D only. Next is, concentrate. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to A means A plus 2. Can I write 2 as 3 minus 1 into D? Next is A4 is equal to, A4 value is how much? A plus 3D. A plus 3D is equal to A means A, plus means plus. Can I write 3 as 4 minus 1 into D. Next is what? A5. A5, how much you got? Means A plus 4D is equal to, can I write this one as A plus 4 can be written as 5 minus 1 into D. Like that only A6 you got here. A6 is equal to A plus 5D is equal to, can I write this one as A means A plus 5 can be written as 6 minus 1 into D. With this what you understood means A1 is equal to A2. A2 is equal to A all time. A. Compulsory. Again plus. Every term I am asking means A plus you should tell. Here 2 means 1D. 3 means 2D. You make 1 decrease, 1 less. A4 means 4 means 3D. 5 means 4D. 6 means 5D. Like that. So on. A10 is equal to what? A plus 1 less than 10. 9D. This is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Now you see this one here. A1 is equal to A plus 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 4 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 6 minus 1. 10 minus 1. So on. If you come like that, I am writing AN is equal to A, all are A's, A. All are plus. If 1 is there, you wrote 1 minus 1. If 2 is there, you wrote 2 minus 1. 3 is there, 3 minus 1. 4 is there, 4 minus 1. 5 is there, 5 minus 1. 6 is there, 6 minus 1. 10 is there, 10 minus 1. If n is there, what you will write? N minus 1. D here also. This is very important. AN means nth term or general term of arithmetic progression. Means what? Nth term. This AN means what? General term. General term or nth term or last term of AP. Very important. Therefore, what you will write means here, therefore AN is equal to L. AN or L. L means last term. AN means nth term. Means which term? Last term. We don't know which term is that one. Is going on like that. Finally we got this term. Means L. Nth term or general term is also denoted by AN or L. Is equal to, don't get any confusion, A plus bracket n minus 1 into D. So now you see here in this formula A is first term. N means n is number of terms. D is common difference. So in exam, write the general term or nth term or last term of an AP and explain its terms. Means AN is equal to AN or L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In these, what are the terms? A, N, D. These are the alphabets. What are the names of that one? A means what? First term. N means what? Number of terms. D means what? Common. Next is D is equal to formula. If it is asking, D is equal to A2 minus A1. For 2 marks you will get this question. Now nothing but A1 is equal to what means A you should take. A2 is equal to what means A plus D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. 3 means 2D. A4 means A plus 3D. A5 A plus 4D. A10 A plus 9D. A100 A plus 99D. 100 means 1 less. A1000 A plus 999D. An A plus, very important, plus n minus 1 bracket into T. Of it is parameters of an AP means arithmetic progression. What is the meaning of parameters means here? What are the requirements to find AP? Generally you see An is equal to what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. A1 is equal to what? A. A2 is equal to what? A plus D. A3 is equal to what? A plus 2D. Means if you see everywhere A is there, B is there, A is there, B is there, A is there, B is there. Here A is there. Means everywhere if you see A and D. Without A and D, arithmetic progression will not come. So what are the parameters? What are the requirements? Means A comma D are the parameters of arithmetic progression. Finite arithmetic progression. Finite arithmetic progression. What is the meaning of this one? With the word only you can understand. Finite means if there are finite number of terms. Finite means countable number of terms. Then it is finite AP arithmetic progression. Means example, simple, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Countable number of terms are. If there are finite means countable number of terms, then it is finite AP. That much. Infinite AP. Infinite AP. AP arithmetic progression. If there are uncountable number of terms, then it is called infinite arithmetic progression. Means what? Example, suppose this only 10, 20, 30, so on. 1, 2, 3, so on. How many terms are there? We do. This is the example of hence which infinite. Finite means number of terms will be limited. Infinite means we cannot count the number of terms. That